Hi everyone, and welcome again for a new project. Today I'm in Takmeel Development Sales Office. I just had a presentation with one of the relationship management. So we got brief about this project. We are talking about Majan. Majan located exactly here and the plot exactly just next to Al Barari. I explained a lot of projects about Al Barari as you can see in your screen. So this is one of them, just launched, and they still have a good inventory. Mix of studios, 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartment. So it's a nice shape of the building, open like butterfly style. They have a podium level amenities in the first podium. Of course, before that, you have a podium parking and ground front parking as well. The units, they have backside and front side and open view for the Al Barari, and the backside will be open for IMG World and Global Village. So this is just a decent distance from these iconic places in Dubai and not far away from the city. Talking about maximum 15 minutes. Now, what this project will offer you, not only amenities in the first podium level and the rooftop, there are more amenities. I'm gonna just list it to you right now over here. Al Barari, it's famous of the greenery and a lot of trees, and this is what I'm going to explain right now. So this is the rooftop, which they have a paddle tennis. They have sitting area, barbecue area, outdoor cinema, jogging track, and more amenities in the rooftop. So, and this is the first floor level, which I showed you. The project, it's a nice project from my side. We're gonna go now to see the show apartment they have here in the city center. So let's go. So this is the show apartment. So they're gonna deliver the project with a fully fitted kitchen with built-up appliances. So the kitchen will be same as it is. This will be appliances, by the way, till here. But for the living room, it will not be the same. But the walling, you will get this walling, this painted walling provided in your apartment. So it's an apartment. Now, if we go and jump inside massive, which I love, the master room, we come over here to give you a decent size from the developer. And by the way, you are seeing this video, this is not their first project. You can check the background. I'm gonna put and mention in the description. They have a huge background, almost 20 years in real estate. And you have like a show walk-in closet over here. This is the wardrobe, which have backlight lighting inside. So you have up, middle, and you have down more cabinet when you can hide your stuff. Now, I hope no one is inside. No one is inside. So this is the bathroom. If we check the bathroom, you have a massive mirror and nice sink with stuff to hang up down. And then look at this design that the water will just go inside directly. And then when you can put your brushing tooth and stuff. You have a toilet. For the toilet, you can look at this details down. It's up toilet, it's not stuck with the ground, which you can easily clean it. And now, if we jump inside the shower, they have 2 shower, or they have a rain shower. So this is the show apartment. Now let's speak about numbers. So that was all about the presentation of this mock-up for this project, Diving Al Barari by Takmeel Development. Now let's speak about the price. So for the studios, the launching price was 717,000. The launching price. This is why I always ask you to contact me before the launch of every single project. Now they have a unit with the price of 793,000, or almost 800,000 dirhams per studios. And this is with the payment plan. The payment plan, it's 40% during construction and 60% on the handover. This you can pay it cash one-time payment, or you can go for a mortgage, which you can get either if you are residents in Dubai or you are not living in Dubai. The banks are offering a mortgage for everyone. The 1 bedroom starts with 1.1 million dirhams. The size, it's a good size. They have a huge size. The smallest studios start from 436 square foot. It's a huge and massive. Now, the project will be handed over second quarter 2028. So that was all. This is my number in your beautiful screen. Contact me right now if you are interested, and let's discuss what we can get. Thank you so much, and see you in the next project.